Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I'll show you the hotspot guide for the iPhone 17 Pro. So if you need to get your laptop or another device online, I'll show you how to turn your iPhone into a personal Wi-Fi hotspot so you can share your internet anytime and anywhere. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the control center and click right here. Now we need to click on the personal hotspot, and as you guys can see, it's discoverable. So now let's just leave it at that, and now go over to the settings. Right here we need to find the personal hotspot and make sure that you enabled allow others to join and that you have your Wi-Fi password. So now you guys can also enable maximize compatibility, but the performance may be reduced for devices connected to your hotspot. So now I'll bring my personal iPhone and show you guys how to easily connect to it. So I am in the settings right now. Let's go over to the personal hotspot, sorry, not the personal hotspot, but the Wi-Fi. And right here in the other networks, we will have an iPhone. So I can just click here, now enter the password, which is the 666-777-89, and I'll just click right here to confirm it. And as you guys can see, I am connected to the hotspot of our iPhone. We can also see it on our dynamic island that one device is connected. So that's how you guys can easily do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.